here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Wow, sprinkles and 70 degrees. That's tough. Tell you what, we've got some messy weather on the way. Fortunately, this first system coming up for late tonight into tomorrow is fairly minor, and it's certainly hard to compare a league in itself with the snowstorm we just had. But the Doppler radar is quiet for now. If you're heading out this evening, as far as any precipitation coming out of the sky, it's really not until late at night and after midnight. At this point, we're anticipating, especially away from the coastline, of some small accumulations. Winter weather advisory, northeast Connecticut, northwest Rhode Island only, up through Worcester County, northern Bristol County, Plymouth County, up into the Boston area. Quite simply, this blue area has the better chance of seeing some modest snow accumulations. And to the south, some rain. So don't be surprised to see some rain with the snow tomorrow. So a dry evening, system coming through on Friday. Tell you what, the one on Monday still bears watching as far as something perhaps a little more important in terms of snow. That would be all snow with cold air coming in. Take a look at a nice, really pretty time lapse from Echo Lake and Pasco, 22 degrees. Some spots, northwest corner of the state this morning, down to 5 to 10 degrees below zero, the actual air temperature. In downtown Providence, the clouds are rolling in. Temperatures now in the mid and upper 20s. New Bedford coming in at 30 right now. 28 Smithfield, Westerly 29, and Taunton checking in at 31. Boston 28 degrees. So system moving through. We're keeping an eye on it now through upstate New York. What will happen is a secondary storm is going to take shape south of New England and really start to intensify. Now, normally we'd be pretty concerned about that, but by the time that intensification occurs, it's already pulling away up to the Gulf of Maine. So it's right in here, down East Maine, especially the north shore of Boston, right in here. We'll get hit hard with some snow. A little further to the south in our area in southern New England, amounts anticipated to be minor. We'll show you those numbers in just a second. Futurecast starts off tonight with the clouds rolling in, and then after midnight, you see areas of both snow and rain. Snow to the north, rain mix south of Providence. This is 2 o'clock in the morning, and you can see throughout the day, 10 o'clock in the morning, you see snow to the north. There's still some rain mixing in towards the south and south shore. This advances through tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. As cold air comes in on the back side of this tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, everybody should switch over to at least some scattered snow showers, eventually much colder air rushing in for tomorrow night. That's going to set up for a very cold but dry weekend. Snowfall amounts, this is not the final forecast, but by 8 o'clock in the morning, a coating to an inch is going to be confined to the northwest corner of the state only. Elsewhere, very little additional snow on the ground. But by the time we get to Friday evening, Friday night, a coating to 1 inch south of Providence. Providence north, generally 1 to 2. You get up into the Boston area, Route 495, and points north towards the North Shore. Amounts will be higher. So a mix of both snow and rain tomorrow morning, 32 to 35, giving it the yellow caution light. And then by tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, colder air, the wind starts to pick up and setting up for a pretty cold but dry weekend. It's the Monday system that bears watching, only 20. Of course, that would be all snow with temperatures that cold. The potential is there for several inches of snow on Monday, depending on how close an offshore storm tracks. So pretty busy week over the next 5 to 7 days. System for tomorrow, while significant in terms of travel, minor in terms of amounts.
So just hitting at the completely wrong time.
Exactly.
All right. Tony, thanks. More coverage you can count on still ahead on Eyewitness News Live at 5. Rescuers